Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Geo Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the shortcuts in ExpressVPN. Now, what is this? Once you connect to ExpressVPN, let me go ahead and connect. You can see that I have a few shortcuts and I also have some options here. So there are ways how to add shortcuts. You can go ahead and you can click, for example, on the plus here, and it's going to allow you to add the shortcut. Or if you go inside the menu options, click the burger menu on the upper left hand side, go to options, you have the shortcut as well. To add shortcuts, you can choose any one of them. So you can click this option or go into the menus, click and add, and you can add the shortcut. So you can be a website or add app shortcut. It's really up to you. So let's say I want to add a website. I can type, for example, youtube.com, right? So let's say I want to add YouTube. I can add that in, add shortcut. You will see that YouTube is added, and then go ahead and click on OK. You can see that YouTube is now added. So if you want to add shortcuts, this is one of the easiest way how to add it. As I mentioned, you can go into the menus or you can simply click this and you can add. Let's add Facebook as an example. Link facebook.com, right? So I'm going to add facebook.com, click on add shortcut, and you will see that it detects Facebook for me, and when I click OK, Facebook will be added. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.